Yeah, hi.
Now we're live.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. How are you all? And this is Narendra from ChallengeDac team. And here we are for discussing about the development activities which are going on with the ChallengeDac. And yeah, here our co-founder Chase is waiting for you to just shoot on your questions to Chase. He's ready to answer that. And yeah, and our community manager CT is here for us today.
Happy weekend, guys.
Let's yeah, let's go and dig on to this. Yeah, first let's first of all, I want to wish all the guys about the happy weekend. And yeah, Chase, what's going on with the latest development activities of the challenge Day?
So we we got a lot going on. It's been a busy few weeks for us. We got the development we're working on getting out version. I think it's going to be the 8th version. So we're going to have that rolled out. Hopefully, we were shooting to get that done by the end of the month, but we're going to be close. So hopefully we can get that done. So we got a lot more development going on. Referral codes. I mean, we talk about it every week, but referral codes. We're going to do Telos support, and we're going to make it where people can buy the CHL token on the application too. So we got that going on. Then also last week we were working on the way of getting clients, a way of bringing on clients and helping keep clients with their marketing. So we think that ChallengeDac is a valuable marketing tool. So we're looking into being able to take on clients and promote their social media pages, help them create content, and hopefully, we were expecting to collect fiat or crypto from those people, and then use that to give out rewards and help build up the challenge network, and then also help those our clients with whatever they need help with. Willow's been working on that, so have I, and so we're doing that. So hopefully we can get some clients and get some extra funds to pump into the challenge network. And then also a bit of good news, someone from the EOS Foundation reached out to us, one of their board members. I won't say who, because I don't know. I didn't ask if I could share the conversation, but someone from the EOS Foundation did reach out to us. So hopefully something comes of that. It'd be really nice if we get some help from them. I've seen where they've given out quite a few $100,000 grants. So if we were able to get a $100,000 grant, then that would be very helpful for us. So that's pretty much kind of the big things that we got going on.
Okay.
What do you think, City? We got anything I missed?
Yeah, you didn't miss anything. It's good news already to know that the ChallengeDac application is gonna be deployed on the Telos blockchain. So that's an exciting news for all community members. So let's buckle up and wait for the action to take place.
Yeah, hopefully it'll be successful for us, because I mean, we've been running, the project's 3 years old. We've been running successfully now for 2 years, and we've been running only on EOS. So this is going to be big for us, adding a new blockchain. I think Telos is a great blockchain. I mean, it's gone from 2 cents to over $1 here. They're doing a lot of things right. So it's going to be nice to add support for them. And, in later versions, we could add support for other blockchains too. I mean, we're kind of just a network that connects people who want to do smart contract challenges. So there's no reason that we have to be confined just to one blockchain. I think some of the best applications support multiple blockchains.
In future version, maybe version 9, ChallengeDac application could also have support for the Telos EVM, as the Telos Ethereum virtual machine.
Here's the notifications. Follow the notification in your phone to turn on notification access.
I think as soon as we add Telos support in this upcoming version, I think we should be able to use their EVM. So we're keeping an eye on their EVM. I mean, they're still working on it. I don't know. I think it's done yet. I think they just audited their code, but yeah, we're gonna work with them and see how we can take advantage of that EVM, because it'd be very, if we had an ERC20 token and we had a token that could be traded on the Ethereum blockchain, that'd be big for us. Because we got this great application that works, it's got all these users and stuff, but we're just not in a place that has a lot of trading liquidity. And if we were able to have a connection to Ethereum and through that EVM, the Telos smart contract, then that'd be big for us. So we're still trying to figure out how all that works. They're just rolling this out right now. But the good thing is Telos has got so much support for projects that are in their ecosystem that, I think there's going to be a lot of cool tools that they have, like their T-Bond program that they have. They got so much cool stuff that they that's going on there. So I think it's going to be good once we connect to their network.
It's 5:22 p.m.
Yeah, so the Telos EVM is which makes the already existed ERC20 token smart contract. That's one of the layer which facilitates these tokens to run onto the Telos blockchain. That's what the EVM is. Yeah. Yeah. Anyhow, we are not at all related to that one. So yeah, that won't make any of an extra help for us. But it's good to know about the recent technologies. Yeah, that's a good one. Like running an ERC 2020 without even changing their smart contract onto the Telos. Like, yeah, that's absolutely an top notch.
And I'm not 100% sure that we're going to be able to, I don't know how that's going to look like. I mean, they're just finishing their EVM right now. I know they've been working on it for a long time, so I'm hoping, and from conversations we've had with them, it sounds like we'll be able to have a traded token, or we'll be able to have a kind of a gateway token, and where CHL is able to be traded on Ethereum and then back and forth through the Telos blockchain. So hopefully, we're able to take advantage of that, and because we want to have access to the Ethereum network. And also we're trying to work with P tokens. Someone from P tokens, we got their contact, and we're trying to reach out to them. If we had if there was a PCHL, that'd be another way where we would be able to get some access to the Ethereum network.
Yeah, true.
Awesome. Any other you got? How's things looking on your end, Willow? Yeah, I know you've been handling Facebook, working on all that.
Yeah, can you hear me, guys?
Let me say something real quick. First of all, I want to appreciate everyone who has been, going all out on sharing a Facebook post. I appreciate you all. I appreciate in my challenges. So another thing I would say, just we are having like I have like I think 4 to 5 people complaining about zero balances and their image not showing up when trying to put an image up there as proof. So I try to we are trying to work on we are working on version 8. So probably some things in version 7 are right now affected, so that they should be patient with us.
Yeah.
So
yes. You reached out to us and said that you were having that, right?
What did you say?
Annie, you were having an issue with your balance not showing up on the on the challenge application?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
All right. And Willow, you said that other people have been having that issue too.
Yeah. Someone even try to reach out to us on the application itself.
Yeah. Yeah.
Was out.
Yeah, I think my dad was having that issue too. He was so I'm not sure if it's a latency issue for him because my dad was doing got some rewards, and he told me, he's like, my balance isn't showing up, and he checked it again like a day or two later, and it did show up eventually. So we'll see what's going on with that, because I've heard quite a few people say, hey, my balance isn't showing up. It seems like it's working for me every time I use it, and I give out some tokens or whatever. It always reflects the right balance. I think there could be some latency issue, and I think right now, since we're working on the new version, sometimes the current version gets a little bit buggy as we're in there in mode and stuff. But just know that rest assured, everybody doing is that we are able to keep track of your rewards, and we're able to, even if it doesn't show like you're getting any rewards right now, we'll be able to get you the rewards that you want. Because it's all tracked. The user account name on the blockchain is public, and even if our database goes down or whatever, we lose everyone's account info, we can still get it from the blockchain. And then the rewards are recorded. So all the important information is on the blockchain, like rewards, account names. So even if it's not showing up on our application, that information is on the blockchain, and we can. It's just an error on our end from not publishing it. But we'll get that taken care of. So sorry, everyone that's been having that issue.
Okay.
Annie, sorry about that.
No problem. It's cool.
But that's big right now for us. We're trying to get more users, and we're trying to build our following. So you guys that are using the application, anytime you see any bug or anything, it helps us when you guys tell us. So that's good. So we say this all the time. If there's anything going on with the application, let us know, so we can fix it. Because chances are, if you're having that issue, then someone else might be having the same issue. And a lot of times, phones, there's different phones people use. So one phone may have a problem, where the other one doesn't. And there's a lot of different moving parts, and we got to get on top of it and make sure that when we download it, have a good experience.
Annie, please mute your mic.
I should do what?
This is absolutely working fine, Chase. The DApp is working for me fine. I'm using it for past 2 days. It's fine working.
Yeah. So that's the thing. I mean, sometimes there's so much that people are so. Someone's got a really staticky.
I guess, Chase, you can mute the some other guys who are not speaking right now. You are the admin. You have the rights.
Yeah, but I have the ability, but I don't know if I know how to. So I'm still trying to I see.
Oh yeah, got it.
Yeah, but yeah. So anyways, yeah. Just if you're not talking, just try to mute your mic.
Okay.
So yeah. So I wanted going on.
Yeah. And anything you want to share about the community right now, which is going on right now? How's the harmony is going on there?
What did you say?
Yeah, I wanted to ask something, but I don't know if you guys can hear me.
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah. You're breaking up a little bit, but I can hear you now. I mean, you're coming in clear for me. All right. I wanted to suggest to all the community members to always report issues
on the Telegram bot channel, the ChallengeDac official bot channel. That should be Challenge EOS, right? The Telegram channel. That's Challenge EOS
Yes.
channel, right?
Yes.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'd like to advise everyone who might be having issues with their wallet balance that they should head over to the Telegram group and drop their username so that it will be easier for the developer to know their username and how to fix their issue. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean that's the kind of beauty of our system is, everybody who's a challenge EOS user has some CHL, and for us to have, and the CHL's value is really dependent on the application. The better the application works, the less bugs there are, the more users we have. That should make the CHL token more valuable. So we're all through the CHL token incentivized to have a good application, an application that's useful, that's growing. So if you hold a lot of CHL tokens, you don't want you have an incentive to see the network runs well. So I think and I think that's why so many people reach out to us and they are so proactive about letting us know if there's something going on, because everybody who holds CHL, like I said, wants to make sure that the application is working well, and that CHL is valuable. So yeah, like City said, if anytime there's a bug or something going on, it doesn't irritate us. We want to know. Don't act like it's an irritation that you're telling us that there's a bug. Is actually getting that feedback and letting us know is vital for us to keep developing.
Yeah. I want to urge us as community members. It's our job to get CHL out there for everyone to to know about us. If you can create content, you can create content about the challenges application, about the CHL token. If you come across a Facebook post from our official Facebook page, endeavor to share it. Even our tweets, endeavor to share it. And I think that way we will help to spread CHL across the world.
Yeah, I agree. I mean that's I mean that you're running all our Facebook stuff right now, Willow. So I mean when everyone shares a post, and I mean some of our posts on Facebook are getting thousands and thousands of views. So that helps us. When people when we reach new people on Facebook or wherever, and we get more downloads and grow the network, that I think that makes CHL more valuable. That's making us getting more people in the network, getting us more exposure. And I mean there's right now is a good time for crypto. I mean Bitcoin just made all-time highs. People are more excited about the space than ever. So this is the time for us to really get the word out about our application, because we've built so much out. We've spent 2 years building. We got real technology, we got real users, we got a real use case. So, there's no reason that CHL shouldn't be a top 100 token. I mean, right now I think we're like 2,000, like only in like 2,500. I think we're like the 2,500 biggest token in the world, according to Echo. So, but I see projects that we're better than a lot of projects in the top 100. I mean, we got a use case, like I said, we got all these things going for us. We just need to get more awareness. I mean, that's a big thing, more awareness, and then more exchanges too. I think City was talking about some exchanges he was talking to, but it looks like we lost him. It looks like he maybe had a bad connection, but yeah, more exchanges and more users. And I think it's going to help us if we get some clients, we get some people that we help with digital marketing, and we get some funds through them to pump into the network. I think that will help too.
Yeah, I spoke with one of our community members. He talked about the challenge EOS application being a web application. He's saying that mobile phone can be very stressful at times. So he prefers accessing he wishes that he can access the challenge EOS application with his PC as with his computer.
Yeah.
So I think in the future we can think about that, Chess, in the future.
Yeah, we can. I mean, we've thought about that in the past. The one problem is for task challenge or for geo challenges. So, you know, when we do the geo challenges, which isn't a huge piece of what we're doing now, but you know, that was our original challenge idea was all geo challenges. We were able to use the GPS, like pretty much all smartphones have GPS in them, and you can you know, that's how we can track people's location and give them rewards for the geolocation. But with the PC, you know, I like laptops and stuff have the GPS the way that iPhones do. But maybe for version 9, that could be something that we're working on. Maybe letting people do PC or doing and letting challenges on a desktop.
Yeah, please.
Yeah,
Really not.
someone please mute that. It's too
Joining us, please mute your mic unless you have something to say, a question or a suggestion.
Yeah. Okay, Wilfred. Yeah. What your question is? Yeah, I'm the more suitable person to answer that about the web version. Yeah, we are planning for the web version actually for ChallengeDac, which will be available on the PC very soon. So that it's under the development actually. Yeah.
All right, that's cool.
That's the equal powerful like an normal our mobile application, but there will be no geo challenges will be available over there. Yeah.
Yeah, I understand you, brother. That's just in the future, online we can, you know, initiate that.
Yeah.
And yeah, and we are rebranding our website, like official website, and yeah, you can see that soon. You're gonna see that in a good design.
So that's awesome. That's awesome, bro.
Yeah.
That's where the more of the tech updates, more of like we used to release the new version of ChallengeDac very often, but now these are the one of the two things we are gonna release. That's where on our plate right now. Yeah.
Awesome.
About the tech side.
Yeah, we got development on all ends right now. So we got, you know, we probably got more development going on right now than we've ever have. So and then that website, you know, that's good for us to get this website cleaned up. It's been, gosh, I think it's been for years since we've done any updates to it, and you know, something that we don't pay a lot of attention to, but it is important. I mean, that is our kind of the first thing that people look at when they are finding out about our project. Is they go on our website, and you know, we get so caught up with the development of the actual app that sometimes we forget to update the website and clean it up. So I think once the website is updated and there's current information on there and looks a little bit better, I think that'll help us out. I think that'll be good for us.
Yeah, and we onboarded a few full stack developers, web developers, so that they're gonna work on these web version and as well as our official website. Yeah. All the yeah, whole the DApp will be gonna build on the MERN, and yeah, and then extra layer of this EOS will be on to that, and which makes it as a DApp. Yeah.
Awesome. So yeah, so that's a lot of what we got going on right now. And then, like always, we take questions. So if anyone has any questions, I mean, I think these are kind of sort of AMAs. So you know, if anyone has any questions or whatever, feel free to chime in and let us know. I mean, that's part of why we want to have these open calls every week, is to hear feedback. If anyone's got anything to add, feel free to chime in and let us know, you know, suggestions, feedback, ideas. We're always want to hear from the community.
Yeah, that's cool, Chess.
Cool. cool. And then if not, then we can keep going with the news. We got any other big things in Willow that we haven't mentioned yet?
Oh, I don't think we have not mentioned anything. We
Cool.
mentioned everything. We've talked about the Telos, being on version 8. That's the version we are expecting.
Yeah.
We've also talked about buying CHL on the application.
Yeah, that's going to be big for us.
Yeah, Ches, once we got migrated to the Telos, are we able to hold the surge of the users?
Say that again. I missed that. The ending part.
Yeah, once we got migrated from EOS to Telos, and can we able to hold the surge of these users coming on board, like the RAM issues or whatever the CPU limit reached, and yeah, can we able to stop that?
I think so. I mean, we've been able to handle our users so far on EOS. I mean, there's been a few times that if we really get a lot of users or a lot of activity, get more CPU. With EOS is fairly easy, and I think Telos is going to be the same way. I mean, I think we should be able to handle the inflow of people. I think we're going to have people from their team helping us out in the beginning, keeping an eye on our resources, and that's the one thing I like about Telos is they're the people in that community are always willing to help, and they let us know. They told us, they said, hey, when you guys get started, let us know if you need any help. I'm sure they'll help us with our resources and make sure that we're running smoothly on there, because it's going to be really we don't know. I mean, we don't know once we go live how it's going to look like, what it's going to take to manage all the resources on there. But from what I hear, it's cheaper than EOS, and EOS, I mean, is really cheap for us to run our resources. We spend way more money with Amazon Cloud server. We spend way more money with Amazon Cloud and managing our front end than we do with managing our blockchain resources. I mean, it's only a couple dollars a month for us to rent the EOS we need for all our on-chain activity, whereas a few $100s with Amazon cloud server for us for all our front end stuff. So and I've heard that Telos is even cheaper than EOS, so I'm sure it'll be cheap to manage all our blockchain users activity. And so yeah, and that's we don't have millions of users on here, but there's days that I think we've got over 10,000 accounts, and there's days where there's definitely a couple hundred people. So so it's easy to manage the resources now, and I think we could handle a lot more people on the network fairly easy.
Yeah.
Right. If you are just joining, you're welcome. And if you have any question, I think we have less time, but we cannot entertain questions for now. If you have any question, please use the question up.
Yes, good evening. This is my first time joining. I don't know if you can hear me.
We can hear you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, my name is Uluwafemi, and I actually have an issue with my ChallengeDac app on sending screenshots. I don't know if it's the problem of my application or it's just something else. Did you get that?
I heard that you have
Yeah.
an issue, but what kind of issue did you say you were having?
Uploading screenshots.
It's having problem and putting up images as a proof, on challenges.
Yeah. So I'm having that too. So when I try to go into my library, when I try to post a challenge or I try to post a screenshot in the comment section, I can't do that either. So that's a bug that I'm having on my phone. So we got probably 6 different bugs right now that people are having issues with. The library, adding pictures, their balances showing up. There's a few other things. So we're working on it. But keep letting us know when anything like that happens. Let us know. Like right now, I can use the challenge application. I just can't post pictures. So I've been posting, if I try to show people proof right now of their challenges, I'm sharing like links and I'm doing other things. So I'm still able to use the application. I just can't add pictures right now. So I'm just, but we'll get that taken care of and we can fix that real pretty soon.
So sad, so sad.
Yeah.
Well, it's
Well,
all good. But how do I now get to win or something?
Yeah, you can post links, bro. You can post links.
Like you just share the link, right?
Yeah, you can share a link to what you've the task you've completed. I think that way
Okay.
it's better.
yeah, that's what
We are very
I. A lot of times when people do like, hey, follow me or retweet this or whatever, a lot of times people are sharing screenshots, and that's a good way of showing proof on the application.
Okay.
But for me, like right now, since I can't post pictures, I've just been putting the link. If I reshare someone's thing or whatever, since I can't post a screenshot right now, I just share a link, and that's kind of a way of being able to get around that and still be able to share posts or still be able to share proof. But we need to get our pictures back and running. That's an issue that not everyone is having, but I'm having that on my phone.
I'm glad there's a solution.
Yeah, we'll have that fixed up here pretty soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
But, does anyone have any other thing to say?
Yeah, actually, I wanted to ask, even though I don't know, Sha, is there anything like staking or farming in EOS blockchain? You can.
What?
I say, is there anything like staking or farming in EOS blockchain? Staking and farming, or in the future?
EOS.
Yeah, I'm pretty mistaken. I think, there's also different yield farming going on. But I'm sure there is on the EOS. They're doing some challenge application, but I think a lot of that is going on in the EOS.
Yeah, you just what you're gonna do, bro. You just have to, do your research on that, and you'll find out what's up, about that.
Maybe down the road in later versions we can do some sort of staking or whatever, but right now what we're trying to do is basically, like you guys know, is CHL, you can use it to vote on posts, and when you vote on those posts, they get higher up in our news feed and our algorithm, and that's been a big controversial issue for a lot of big tech providers right now. A lot of Facebook's getting a lot of heat, Twitter gets a lot of heat for their algorithm, for the different posts that they put. And with us, the beauty of the blockchain is we can make that all transparent. And what we do is we just, give people the CHL token, and based on how many CHL tokens they have, that's how much influence they have on getting posts or challenges higher up in our news feed. And it's all transparent, and people can see it on the blockchain. So, so I think that's something that other top tech applications are going to, start using in the future. I think that's the future of news feeds, is making it all public through the blockchain, and yeah. Yeah,
how long have we gone?
I think we've been going for like 40 minutes, so we've been trying to keep it. We don't want to go too long because people tend not to watch the full thing if we go too long. But I think we've been going like at least 30-40 minutes now. So if that's all the questions, I think we can wrap it up here unless anyone else has something to add.
Nothing, Chess.
Awesome. Cool. So I think we'll stop it here. We'll put it up on YouTube. I always reshare these on YouTube. So I'll probably put out a challenge asking people to share this. Anyone that was on the call will reward you. I think City Mills will reward everyone on the call. Just show proof. And you'll make a challenge asking people to reshare this on Facebook too, right?
I will.
Awesome. Cool. That's good to we want to get as many people on these calls as possible. We got, fairly good turnout today, and maybe, a half a dozen people. But then obviously we want to get these calls out after we finish them too. So, look for those challenges, and everyone here, you'll get some tokens for being here, and then you can get some more tokens for helping us share this recording afterwards. So cool. Thanks everyone for being on, and everyone have a good weekend.
Yeah, Chase. One thing.
Cool.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Someone like Ima Amachi is asking that my balance is not showing any solution to that. Yeah. Just send your account name to my account or City Mills, so that we will try to sort the issue.
Yeah. We were talking about that earlier in the call. That's an issue that quite a few people are having right now. So we're gonna get to the bottom of that, figure out what's going on. Rest assured, this, like we were saying earlier, is all on the blockchain. So everybody will be able to get the rewards that they won. We just got to be able to broadcast it correctly on the application. That's what's going on. But hopefully we'll get that taken care of in the next few days. And then also, people were having issues posting pictures on the application too. We're working on that. So just hang tight, everybody, and we'll get that stuff taken care of.
Yeah, there are few other questions like I can't transfer my CHL to my wallet. Yeah, all the issues about the transferring the tokens or the balance is not showing up. All these questions can just get all those questions to the Telegram channel. Yeah, before the community. Yeah. The tech team will try to solve those things.
Awesome. Yep. Keep letting us know, guys. And like Narendra was saying, just post message us, message City, message Narendra, message me, post it on the Telegram group. Just let us know, and we always take care of the bugs. Because usually, like I said earlier, if someone's having one issue, usually other people are having that same issue too. And our job is to, our mission is to make it very simple for users. We want to provide a very easy, simple application that people use, that works, that people can understand. And it's really important that like I said, everything running smooth. So cool. And I think that's all we got for this week, right? Anything else we got to go over?
No, I guess we can wrap it up the session over here.
Cool.
And thanks for I just convey my hello. Yeah, thanks for all who attended this session, and peace.
Yep.
Cool.
Everyone have a good weekend. Yep. Thanks for joining, and we'll be back. Tell your friends next week. We're doing this every Friday at 4 GMT time. I think we can have up to 50 people in these group calls. We'd like to get it all the way up to 50. That'd be great for the project. But let people know, and please come back next week. So thanks everyone for joining. Have a good weekend.
Happy weekend, Jess. Bye bye.